Liberty stock number 50943, Haas VF-2YT, Vertical Machining Center, serial number 1107858.
Let's look around. Open up the door, take a look inside, we'll take a walk around. Have no tooling on the inside, got a couple tools up in the turret. It's clean, it's ready. Control is up.
We walk around? Or?
Yeah, a little bit, sure. Look at the back end. I don't think we can go all the way around. Let me see some of it. There's a side door, of course, through here.
Chip auger there.
Yeah, the auger's hanging out.
That's a shin knocker if I've ever seen one.
Yeah, it is. And some coolant hoses, and of course the electric panel. Let me get out of the way here. You can see some of it. We can't open the door all the way, but coming in, we're presently wired 208 right here, low voltage. That's me coming in up here. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Suppose we should show the other side real quick on the air package, what have you. I'll move things over. Let me close this. And it's really all of it. I don't have the key right now. I forgot to get the key to open that up. That's the air package in there. And of course the side of the cabinet. There's my airline coming in. That's about it there.
Okay.
Yeah, and I don't know if you want to show that tooling on the side. Other than that, I can start moving some things around for you.
Oh, yeah.
We got all this, yeah, the auger cover, some extra tools. I think this is a cowlet box here. Yeah, cowlets. This should all be in the pictures, I think, and the coolant system.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, so let me close up here. And I'll jog some things around, really 3 axes, do a few manual tool changes. And there's a little auto program. There's a program in here I can run, so we'll do that. Bring the control, come up, clean this out a little bit. I can go through the main 6 panels here real quick. But, I mean, we got programming, display, position, it doesn't change much. Offsets, current commands, alarm messages, no alarms, parameters, setting, graphs. There's a lot in there, but for what it's worth, we'll just stay in position right now and go with that in jog mode. I'm gonna jog, full out, start maybe with Z, I don't know. Use the hand wheel, I can move even faster. And X, off the buttons, or off the wheel. Y. That's all good. Tool change, yeah, get up over and MDI, go reverse one maybe. Back again, 8 forward. And one more, I don't know what tool we're in, but that's tool T2. And the program calls for T1. If I get into memory, we can run that. It's a short program. I can just take off right from here and let it start up here. Oh yeah, we want to do spindle once in Jock, sorry about that. Let's do spindle, begin at MDI again. I had an 8,000 programmed up there, we'll start low. 20%, get spindle on. We're at 16. 24. 32, you want to take it all the way up to 8, or we get up to 6, maybe 4, a little over 5. Stop. Clockwise. Still at 5. Stop. Counterclockwise. Sounds about the same. And back to program. It'll run the spindle too at a 4,000, I think it's calling for 4,000. So let me run that. That's about 60. We leave that right there. Cycle starts. Go to T1. Looks like he's doing a circle, yeah. Do that again. Go faster with the spindle. It's 3,500 there. Need more? That's pretty good, huh? Yeah, that's pretty much it right there. End of story.